What's going on, everyone? It's Alex here from Aleks Physio. So today I'm going to show you 5 exercises that you can do if you've had a total knee replacement. These exercises are going to focus on range of motion and some quads muscle activation just to help with regaining some of the strength and the range of motion back after surgery. In addition, these exercises can be both used as a prehab tool. So if you are planned for having a total knee replacement and you want to just optimize your performance afterwards in your recovery, then these are some good exercises to start off with and build from there based on how you're doing. Exercise number 1, we're going to do isometric quads. So we're basically trying to turn on this quadricep muscle right here, which has a tendency to be lacking a little bit of activation, especially after surgery when swelling is quite significant. So the way that this is going to look like is you're going to lie on your back. And all you're working on here is you're trying to push the back of your knee down into the bed. So you're pushing the back of the knee into the bed and squeezing this quadricep muscle. Sometimes tapping it helps to work on a little bit of the activation. You're holding for 5 seconds and relax. So push down, hold, and relax. Okay. Exercise 2. We're going to do some active assisted knee flexion. So this is a very important exercise because being able to have the appropriate knee flexion range of motion is key for walking, doing stairs, just functional movements. And this is one of the measurements that your orthopedic surgeon looks at when you do come in for your follow-up. And it can not only be for follow-up total knee replacement, but also for any sort of knee surgery. So the way that this is going to look like is you can grab the string from your bathrobe or any sort of band that gives you a little bit of assistance. You're going to lie down and loop the strap around, and then from here you're trying to pull your heel towards your bum. Again, this is going to be quite painful doing this movement, but you do have the assistance from your arms to help to try to bend that knee. In the first few weeks you're not going to be able to get much, about 30 to 90 degrees, but it should get better. Normally we have up to 130 degrees of range of motion for our knee. Okay, so we're just going to work on that. So sliding your heel up to your bum. You can use a plastic bag on the bottom of your heel or one of those sliders, which looks like this, to help glide the heel a little bit smoother, but it just depends on what surface that you're lying on when you're doing this exercise. Number 3, you're going to do a quads over roll. So for this exercise, you can use a foam roller or you can use the rolled up towel. Anything that has a few inches of height that fits comfortably behind your knee. You're going to position that behind your knee, and from here, you're trying to push the back of your knee into that object. And as you're doing that, you're trying to lift your heel off the ground or off the bed. And again, trying to turn on that quadricep muscle. So this exercise is more challenging than the one that you're doing just without anything, because now you have to work against gravity to actually try to lift your heel off the bed. So more range of motion, more challenging, and the higher the height of the material is, the harder the exercise. So you might just start off with something a little bit lower than this and work within your pain tolerance until you get more comfortable. Exercise number 4. You're going to do a passive knee extension stretch. So what this is going to look like, again, you're going to grab something that's a few inches high and you're going to position it underneath your calf muscle. And all I want you to do here is just hang out. So basically what you're doing here is you're having gravity try to straighten your knee and bring the back of your knee down towards the floor, which in turn is working on that knee straightening range of motion, which is again something that is important to regain after surgery. And as this gets more tolerable, you try to increase the time that you can hold it for. Some people like to add weights, so they'll grab a plastic bag, put some weight on the knee to really help drive that knee straight. But for here, you can just start off with this, and again, just try to relax that leg. Exercise 5, we're going to grab that same strap, and now we're just going to try to stretch our calf. So trying to keep our knee as straight as it can. You're trying to point your toes towards you, and you should just feel a nice stretch in your calf and also a little bit in the back of your knee. Trying to hold this for 15 to 30 seconds. and relax. Again, it's okay for it to feel a little bit of discomfort. You want to push to pain, but you don't want to push through pain, and you don't want to avoid pain because it will be bothersome, especially at the beginning. So there you have it. We went over 5 exercises that you can do after your total knee replacement. In addition, it can be used as a prehab tool to try to work on optimizing your abilities so you can recover quicker after the surgery and have an idea of what to expect. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. And if you've had a total knee replacement, let me know how your experience has been and how you're coming along with your therapy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.